sa Tierra Firma. Mabait si Ronald Tobid. Anong record? Quack, quack. Oh, di ba? Phoenix,
Okay.
Willie Miller's a nice guy. Anong record? You know, because ito kasi mga professional players pa. Sometimes, you have to put them in their place. Kasi lumalaki yung mga ulo eh. Kasi, mas malaki pa ako sweldo sa'yo, coach, ha? You don't tell me anything. I'm a star. No, pag Yengyaw, kahit superstar ka, sinisigawan ka. And he's not just yelling at you for the sake of yelling. He wants to amplify kung may mali ka nagawa. And he's not
Mhm.
shy about it. Referee nga, inaaway ni Coach Yengyaw eh. So,
Yes.
in fact, the optics may be bad kung nanonood ka sa TV, ano tong coach na to, pero you cannot find a human being, a basketball player walking in this planet na magsabi ng masama kay Yengyao. In fact, all players speak to him, former and current, with such
Mm.
term of endearment. Kasi
Wow.
ganun, mabait yan si Yengyao. Passionate lang. Kagaya ng kaibigan natin si Snow Balwa, passionate lang, di ba? So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
itong si Yengyao, ganun din.